All right, good morning, everyone. Welcome to day, what's this, like day 8, I think, or something like that. We've made quite a lot of progress. So you know what? Let's just jump into it out of complete respect to the amount of progress we've made. I do not think we need to go ahead and have an introduction that's step by step. Hey, open your SalesForce, open your Rhino, right? So let's just kind of get into it. So I'm going to do share screen. And what you'll find here is my Zoom page. So let's just X out of that. Okay, so you should be in Rhino Hub. And again, everyone has their logins. I don't think I need to do that again for everyone. If you don't have it, pause this and please go ahead and grab your login. Now, upon collecting your login, you know where to go. Career Training Certification Placement, Certification Programs. Here you are, Salesforce. We're going to right click this and open this in a new tab, in which case we come to Salesforce, all of the different options. We select design. Upon selecting design, we go to the user trail. Upon going to the user trail, we go to the one that we are on, and you'll find Lightning Experience Customization. Again, purposely, I'm not doing it because I believe everyone should be caught up. Oh, hello. All right, so now we are on Lightning Experience Customization. And as everybody should recall, yesterday we started with live tutorials. So we have a gentleman that actually recorded himself doing it. So we're going to follow along and then we will do it together. So let's make sure we're at the right place.
Create and customize Lightning apps.
Okay, is that where we are? Create and customize Lightning apps. Okay, from this point forward, we're going to let this video play. I'm going to shut the camera off on my end. And we're all going to watch together. I will be moderating, I will be right here. But pay attention because we're going to be doing it together right afterwards. And we're completing all of these today. So we are really going to make a lot of progress. And as you recall yesterday, we didn't do so well with our questions. We passed all the tests, but when it came to the hands-on, we got all the points. It was 500. There's another 1,800 points that we're going to get today. So let's pay attention. All right, I'll be right here and I'll see you on the other side.
Learning objectives. After completing this unit, you will be able to describe the benefits of Lightning apps, create a Lightning app with custom branding, list 2 best practices for planning Lightning apps for your org. What is a Lightning app? An app is a collection of items that work together to serve a particular function. In Lightning Experience, Lightning apps give your user access to set objects, tabs, and other items all in one convenient bundle in the navigation bar. Lightning apps let you brand apps with custom color and a logo. You can even include a utility bar and Lightning page tabs in your Lightning app. Members of your org can work more efficiently by easily switching between apps. What's most important to sales reps, accounts, events, and organizations? How about sales managers? Reports and dashboards make the top of the list. Let's jump into details. Each Lightning app has a navigation bar at the top of the page, letting your users find what they need using item names for easy recognition, complete actions, and access recent records and lists with a single click. Personalize the navigation bar to suit the unique way they work. Think of the navigation bar as a container for a set of items and functionality. It's always there, but the items within it change based on the app you're using. So here are the examples. The app name displays on the left side of the navigation bar, and custom colors and branding make each app unique and easy to identify. So let's see if we see anything. There, I don't think this is really an app, where is it? Doesn't look like it. Your users can access other items and apps by clicking the app launcher icon, which is the thing here. Your users can create records and access recent records and a list directly from the navigation bar for items like opportunities. So that's here. So what things can you put in a Lightning app? Most standard objects, including home, the main chatter feed, groups and people, your org's custom objects, Visualforce tabs, Lightning component tabs, Canvas apps via Visualforce tabs, web tabs. You can even include Lightning page tabs and utilities like Lightning Voice. If your org uses utility features, you can enable a utility bar in your app that allows instant access to productivity tools like integrated voice in the Lightning Experience footer. You can also build your own on-demand apps by grouping items into new custom apps. To switch between apps, users can use the app launcher. This makes it easy for most users to switch contexts and still have access to the items, object, pages they need most. Here's an example. Meet the Lightning Experience App Manager. The App Manager is your go-to place for managing apps for Lightning Experience. It shows all your connected apps and the SalesForce apps. Use the Lightning Experience Manager to view all your Salesforce apps, create Lightning apps or connected apps, see which apps are visible in Lightning Experience, easily manage apps. Click a column header to sort the list based on that column. So let's see if we can find it. I'm not sure where that's supposed to be. It's a setup here, so go to setup. And it's supposed to be there somewhere. Lightning Manager. Nope. Not there. Anyway, let's just continue. What does that visible in Lightning column mean? You can see in the App Manager that there are two types of apps, Classic and Lightning. A checkmark in the Visible in Lightning Experience column means that the app is accessible in Lightning Experience via the app launcher and is fully functional. So we can kind of skip this because I have no idea where that is. Create a Lightning app. Creating and editing a Lightning app is a cinch. As here's the Solar's admin, Maria needs an app that puts everything about customer energy assessment at her consultant's fingertips. Let's dive right in and try it out. In a few simple steps, you can give an app a name. Set its primary color, upload a logo, specify which item appears in the app's navigation bar, and assign the app to user profiles. From the Home tab in Setup, enter App in the Quick Find box and select App Manager. And we have the app manager. Fortunately, that's there. Click new Lightning app. And we are supposed to walk through the app wizard and create an app with these parameters. Energy consultations, track energy orders and product recommendations. Image your choice. Use a JPG, PNG, BMP. Okay. I don't really have an image at hand, but let's just stop the video and let me look for something. So I randomly found this app image here, so I'm just going to upload that. Already uploaded it, you can see it here. And let's go on to the next one. Primary hex color supposed to be orange, and app options leave as is. Utility to items, don't add any. Navigation items. I'm just gonna put a check mark here. So the image and the color is used instead of the custom theme. Let's see how that looks like. And navigation, form factor. Don't say anything. So I will just leave that as it is. Utility item, leave as is. Navigation items. Home. Chatter. Groups. Energy audits. Contacts. Product. And toss. Alrighty, let's go to next. Available profiles. Assign to user profile. System administrator. That would be me, I guess. No, Maria would assign it to her consultant users. But for our purpose, it's easier to test if we set it to system administrator. So let's see what we can choose there. It's kind of hard to see. Custom sales profile, something like that. Okay, and now it's all set up, so let's see if we can actually see it here. What's the name again? Energy consultations. And there you see the image, and let's see if everything works with the color and stuff. Yes, it works indeed. You can see the orange here, you can see the image here. All looks good. Energy audits, we can see there as well. You can see it here. Next number as well, just what we did there. Check out the new app. It's got all the custom branding you gave it. That's correct. A custom icon, which is there, and the custom color, which is there. Because home is first in the navigation bar, it becomes the first page your users see when they open the app. Nice work. Now you're ready to create your own custom Lightning apps. Beyond the basics, did you know that app images for Lightning apps can be animated GIFs? Oh yes, they can. You're welcome. Tips for creating apps in a Lightning experience. It's time for the fun part, deciding how to set up Lightning apps for your users. Here are some tips for planning Lightning apps for your org. Talk to your users, ask them what their priorities are. Customizing tabs in apps gives you a unique opportunity to engage with your users. Each group of users has its own priorities. Find out which objects and items represent their highest priorities. Ask users to post feedback to a chatter group. Publish polls, schedule lunch sessions. Everybody likes free lunch, and nearly everyone is happy to express their opinion. Create a master list of objects that everyone in your org wants. Then trim down the list for each group, sales reps, sales managers, execs, and so on. The menus for every user group share some common objects like home, tasks, and feed. Keep the high priority items for each group at the top. Put the low priority items at the bottom or remove them altogether. Users can always go to the app launcher to get items that they use less often. Now we got a quiz here. What's the key benefit of Lightning apps for your users? Users can create records and access recent records and lists directly from the navigation bar. It's easy to switch contacts with the app launcher. Lightning apps give users access to the items, objects, and pages they need most. That's all of the above, I would say. Let's just check the A part records just to be sure. Yeah, access recent records and list. Quick, so it's correct. I don't want to mess up like in the last quiz where I lost a couple points because I was too quick. Number 2, what can you include in a Lightning app? Trailhead modules, custom sound effects and flashing text, web tabs, standard and custom objects, and utility features like Lightning Voice. That would be C. Trailhead modules is what we are going for through right away. Custom sound effect and flashing text. No, there is none of that. This GIF can apparently be animated, but that's about it. And number 3, what's a good way to optimize an app for your users? Brand the app with an animated GIF and neon colors to get their attention. Put the highest priority objects and tabs first in the navigation menu. Have a developer code in a set summertone sound effect that plays for every error message. Add every object in the org to the navigation menu. So that would be B. Put the highest priority objects and tabs first in the navigation menu so people can find it. Check the quiz to earn 100 points. So let's hope I didn't mess up everything, but everything sounds like common sense so far. And we got the 100 points. And let's tackle the next unit.
All right, so I think we can go ahead and try to do it ourselves now. We'll put the camera back on and let's take a look. So here we have, and we'll set it up the way he had done it because we did that yesterday and it worked out really well. So let's open up Playground. I believe it's somewhere over here, right? This unit requires some additional instructions for screen reader users. To access a detailed screen reader version of this unit, click on the link below. Wait, I'm confused. Where is Playground, right? What is the Lightning app? Think of the navigation menu. Displays each app make for you. Click a column header to sort. Oh, you know what? So I don't think this actually had a Playground. I thought it did though. Did I miss something? Hold on, let's go back real quick. Oh, you know what? I think we're going back over here, set up your org. And I think we're, why is this so difficult? Where is Playground? I'm sorry, we're looking for Playground so that we can create and customize, open Trailhead Reader instructions. So we have that over here. Click to return to unit Trailhead to proceed with the quiz at the end of the reading. Lightning apps. So I don't know where he had accessed that, which is kind of odd, but we do know it's D, C, and B. And I feel okay just putting those through because we just watched the whole thing, right? So so that's okay. I would just like to know where this is. What is this? Hands-on challenge. Okay, so there is a playground on this one. There was not a playground on the last one, I don't think, right? So actually, I want to see something. Oh, so the challenge was just the 100 points. Now we're over on the next page and the challenge is the 500 points. Okay, so we're caught up. All right, so create and customize sales lead view, create and customize sales lead view. Let's go ahead and jump into this. And we know
Create and customize
that we will be doing a playground. So let's pay attention a little better and let's get into it. I'm going to shut my camera so we can pay attention. I'll see you on the other side.
list views, learning objectives. After completing this unit, you will be able to create a custom list view, create a custom list view chart, edit and sort list views. Create a list view. Since users don't need an admin to create list views for them, Maria is going to get some coffee and we'll step into the shoes of one of her coworkers, Erin Donahue. Erin's a new sales rep for USA Minnesota, focusing on channels customers in the United States. She wants to get a custom list view so she can see only those types of accounts. Here we go. From the app launcher, find and select the Sales app and select the Accounts tab. Let's find that. Let's see, Sales app. And there are the accounts. This should be the Sales app. Let's just go there again. Maybe accounts wasn't there. Yeah, I think it wasn't integrated into that app we created. So let's go to account there. From the list view, click create new. Name the list channel customers. Okay, it says list view controls. Where do we have it? Oh, there it is. List name, channel customers, use API name, automatically generates one. All users can see this list view. And click save. So far the list view is showing us all the accounts regardless of their type or location. Also the filters panel is now available. So this is not that great, so let's make this a bit smaller. Still not great, maybe you can. No, but anyway, that should do for now. Let's see if we can at least see there. Account site. Billing phone. Account owner. And this is the state, I suppose. That's correct. Let's set up some filters. First, Erin wants to see only channel customers. Click Add Filter. Type equals. Customer channel filter. Just gonna copy paste this here. Sure, the field is supposed to be account name here. Supposed to be type equals customer. Oh, okay, we can check it there. We can select it here. And done and save. Great, the list has been pared down to only channel customers. let's say Aaron not only wants to see channel customers, but also only those on the West Coast. Add another filter where billing state profit equals Washington, Oregon, or California. Billing state province equals. Let's copy paste it there. Done and save. It looks good. It's also like in the picture here. Let's enlarge that again. That's the same. You can collapse and expand the filter pane by clicking the funnel icon thingy. You can change who can see the list view by clicking the gear icon and select share settings, which would be here. And where do we have the filter pane? Let's say, customize a list view. You've created a custom list view and added filters, but there's even more you can do. Aaron doesn't want to see certain columns and wants to add others, so let's start there. From the list view, select fields to display. Move to account side, account owner alias, and phone out of the visible area and add industry and customer priority instead. Let's see where we can find that. Select fields to display. Fields. Site. Account owner. And phone, industry and customer priority. Let's see. And customer priority. There we go. And let's see if this is applied right away. Yes, it is. See the little arrow in the account name column header? That indicates which direction the content and that column is sorted. Click the header to sort that column. The arrow indicates how the list is sorted. From the column's first record, alphanumerically, or its last. Tip, you can edit records field from within a list view, edit cell display, a pencil icon when you can hover over the cell, while non-editable cells display a lock icon. So I think this is probably what's meant. Also do it like this. Oh, okay. Like that. All right. Create a list view chart. List view charts help you visualize your list view data. Aaron wants to see which accounts represent the most overall pipeline value. So she's going to add a chart to all opportunities list view. Let's follow along. From the Sales app, click the Opportunities tab and select the All Opportunities list view. Let's see if we can find that. And from there, alright, found it. Click the pie chart. In the chart panel that appears, click the gear and select new chart. There we have the gear, new chart, pipeline total value. And give these parameters. Chart type, donut chart, some amount, count name. Note the aggregated type specificates how the field data is calculated by some count or average. The aggregated field type specifies the data type to calculate. The grouping field labels the chart segments. Okay. Now we have the theme. Here's in the picture. All looks good. When you create a list view chart for an object, such as opportunities or leads, the chart is associated with this object. The chart is available for any list view that you have permission to see for that object, except the recent viewed list. Hands-on challenge. Create a custom list view. Lance Park, one of Ursula Mayor Solar sales rep, wants to see a list of opportunities that are in the late stages of negotiation or have high probability to close, or both. Step into Lance's shoes and make that happen. Use the app launcher to open the sales app. So we are there, it's the sales app. Create a list view for opportunities named high probability opportunities. Okay, let's see. Opportunities, new. List name. High probability. Let all users see list view. Add a filter. Let's see the stage equals greater than greater or equal. Product price quote, negotiation review. Let's do this again. Greater or equal. I think we can stack those, I hope. And this page stage should equal proposal and negotiation review. And let's see. Let's see what happens if I remove this. I'm not going to be more, but anyway, I hope it works, and it's supposed to be like this. And now let's check if everything was done correctly. And we got the 500 points. That's great. So let's go on and tackle the next.
All right. All right, let's come back and let's get in there. That looked like a lot of fun, so I'm really quite excited to get in there. So we watched the gentleman go through each component, so we don't need to go ahead and do it again. The only reason we would if it's part of the challenge, but the challenge actually is its own task, right? You'll be completing this unit in your own hands-on org. Click Launch to get started, or click the name of your org to choose a different one. So let's click Launch. And we'll go ahead and move this over here so we can see Bolt. If you're signed in, you'll see it says welcome. Okay. This is your Trailhead program where you can complete hands-on challenges, getting started. Okay. Why are you doing this? Okay. If you use Trailhead in a language other than English, make sure that your hands-on org is the same language. Otherwise, you'll run into issues passing this unit. Want to find out more using hands-on? Check out Trailhead. Click on OK. OK, wants to see a list of opportunities. Okay, launch. Okay. So let's see. All right, Lance Park, one of Ursa's sales reps want to see a list of opportunities that are in the late stages of negotiation or have high probability to close, or both. Step into Lance's shoes and make that happen. Use the app launcher to open up the sales app. App launcher's over here. Let's open up sales. Okay. As an admin, okay, we know this. It's a guidance center. Okay, create an opportunity list view. Okay, so opportunities. List name, high probability opportunities. List name. So I don't think this is where we need to be. All right. You know what? I think I'm actually a little lost. Let's go back.
List name.
Oh, okay, we have to go through all opportunities first. And then, no.
Opportunities. New.
Oh, okay, because we're doing list controls. Okay. So let's go to new. List name and list API name. Has the underscores included in it, already there. All users can see this. Okay, so let's save that. And now we want to filter, so show opportunities. Let's move this over a little bit, okay? So show opportunities whose stage is in proposal, price quote, or negotiation review. No, so we want to filter, okay. So the stage is equal to proposal, price quote, or negotiation review, okay. Done. Then we want to add an additional filter whose probability is greater than or equal to 50%. So let's scroll down to probability, greater or equal 50. Done. Let's save. And we have these four equals, let's see. Okay, I feel pretty okay with that. So let's go ahead and check our challenge to see if we did it correctly. I enjoyed the playground, and we got it right. But I enjoyed the playground where it was the whole chapter where we got to follow along the whole way through. This one playground doing one task at the end feels like we're not getting every part of it. But that's why we're watching and we're making sure to take it all in. Plus, this playground is interactive, so you can go back and do the whole chapter for fun, right? So we're going to leave the playground open. We're going to maximize this page. Going to tackle the next unit. Customize record highlights with compact layouts. Let's make sure that that is what we're doing. Customize record highlights with compact layouts. All right, we're going to shut the camera and I'm going to see you on the other side, but we will be moderating.
Using record highlights with compact layouts. Learning objectives. After completing this unit, you will be able to describe how compact layouts help your users, create a custom compact layout. What do compact layouts do? Compact layouts control which field your users see in the highlights panel in the top of a record. They control also the fields that appear in the expanded lookup card you see when you hover over a link in the record details. And in the details section when you expand an activity in the activities timeline. Compact layouts help you make your team more productive by presenting them with the key record information so they can easily manage their work. For example, show phone numbers and regions on an account or show stages, amounts, and ownership fields on an opportunity. Which compact layouts you can highlight, whatever your user needs to see at a glance when they look at a record. As with page layouts, there are separate compact layouts for each object. Here's an example of an opportunity records page. The first several fields you assign to an object's compact layout appear in the object's records highlights panel. And in the expanded lookup card you see when you hover over a link in record details, the field you put first displayed at the top of bold. In this case, the highlights panel reflects the fields on the opportunity compact layout, and the expanded lookup card reflects the fields from the account compact layout. So we can see an example here. The LinkedIn textiles. Let's open it. Burlington Textiles Corp of America. A similar one. This one is weaving plant generator. And this is a bit different. Compact layouts also control how records display in the SalesForce mobile app. If your company uses the SalesForce mobile app, you can help your users see what they need on mobile screens, where space is limited and quick recognition of records is important. Here's a sample compact layout edit page for the account object. It shows the name of the layout and the list of fields to display. New account compact layout. Trying to figure out where you can actually see this. Can't find it right now, but they should show us later. Here's the related page for the same account object in a Lightning experience. You can see the account name, phone number, type, industry rating, and account owner at the top of the page. Yeah, that sounds more like this one, but still not quite. I have a few different fields here, like industry rating and so on. And here's what the same account record looks like in the mobile app. So a lot more compact. Create a compact layout, that's what we want to do. When you create a custom object, it's automatically assigned to a system default compact layout, which has only one field on it, the object name. Maria wants to call attention to the most important field on the object when her users view the audit records. Let's make that happen by creating a custom compact layout for the energy audit custom object. Let's find and open the compact layouts node in setup for energy audit. So energy audit we still have open here for the object manager. And there we have it. Energy audit. Compact layouts. You can see the system default compact layout is assigned to the primary compact layout right now. We're going to change that. This is system default one. Click new. Energy audit compact layout. The name. Energy audit name. Count. Annual energy usage. Average annual electric costs. Type of installation. So that's what we're going to add there. Created by, last modifier, and owner will be omitted. And now let's see energy. And now we have the name here. The account name. Should have been saved, but maybe it wasn't assigned yet. Maybe I was a bit too quick. Click compact layout assignment and then click edit assignment. Yeah, that was the problem. Okay, let's refresh this and supposed to show on the record. Yeah, it looks good. Now we see the energy usage here, average annual electric cost. And the type of installation should also be there somewhere. See any details? Should be here, I guess. Maybe it's too small. Let's make it larger. Yep, it's there if we enlarge it. Seems the smaller it gets, it doesn't really show anymore. Not that great. Not sure if it's a bug or if it's supposed to be like that. But we got everything there, so it was just like missing due to the size. Tip: Ursa made solar starting designs for its next generation of solar components. To develop a baseline for the new project, the design team is analyzing the typical energy saving that customers get with the current product line. To support this work, the team would like to see a different set of fields in the highlights panel on audit records. But Ursa Source consultants need to see the fields that are included in the primary compact layout for the energy audit custom object. What's Maria to do? Easy. She creates an energy audit record type and assigns it to the profiles of the users on the design team. When she creates a different custom compact layout for the energy audit object, which includes the energy fields requested by the design team, finally, she edits the compact layout assignment for the energy audit object to assign the new compact layout for the record type, and voila! Ursa major solar consultants get highlights of the audit record details that they need, while design team members see the highlights that they need. So let's go to the challenge. When the Ursa Solar salespeople are on site with the customer, they see a few key fields that they need to see right at the top of an opportunity record. When they access SalesForce, create a compact layout that will help them do that. Create a new compact layout for the opportunity object with the label New Opti Compact Layout. And what's missing here? Let's add it here as well. Include these fields in the order: opportunity name, and the object manager, so you need to see it in the opportunity record. So this should be here, I hope. So let's create that here. And we need the opportunity name, probability, percentage, close date, stage, amount, opportunity owner. So let's save this. sign it. That should be it. Let's go back to the normal sales view and see if it looks right or not. So this is supposed to be for the opportunity records. All opportunities. So we have the probability, close date, stage, amount, what's missing, the opportunity owner. Have me as the opportunity owner there, just doesn't display probably if the size is too small. So that's something to keep in mind. So this all looks good, so we should get the 500 points. And we got the 500 points. Let's.
All right, super cool. So let's get into it. All right, we want to go ahead and scroll down to our challenge. And we'd like to go ahead and launch it. And let's see, we could actually exit out of this one because we just launched a new one. All right, so let's follow along. Okay. Right. Okay. When the URSA salespeople are on site with a customer, they are in a few key fields they need to see right at the top of an opportunity record before they access SalesForce. When they access SalesForce, create a compact layout that will help them do that. Create a compact layout for the opportunity object. So let's go to opportunities. So actually, where did he start? All right.
Design team members see the highlight that they need. So let's go to the challenge. When the user may saw salespeople are on site with the customer, they see a few key fields that they need to see right at the top of an opportunity record. When they access Salesforce, create a compact layout that will help them do that. Create a new compact layout for the opportunity object with the label New Opti Compact Layout.
Hold on one second. Object manager, where is that? Let's go home. Huh. So I'm a little lost how we get there.
Good. Let's make that happen by creating a custom compact layout for the energy audit custom object. Let's find and open the compact layouts node in setup for energy audit. So energy audit, we still have open here through the object manager. So energy audit, we still have open here through the object manager. And the object which includes these fields in the order when they access SalesForce. Create a compact layout that will help them do that. Create a new compact layout for the opportunity object with the label new opti compact layout. Create a new compact layout for the opportunity object with the label new opti compact layout.
Where is this energy audit? Huh. So you know what? I'm thinking we might have actually had to have done this whole lesson. So let's just go through this. Layouts. Okay. In this case, highlight the panel reflector. Okay. Sample. That's related. When you create a custom object, it's important. First, find and open compact layouts node in the setup for energy audit. First, find and open the compact layouts node in setup for energy audit. We gotta just watch this through. This is good practice together. Because again, together, we'll figure this out.
Compact layouts also control how records display in the SalesForce mobile app. If your company uses the SalesForce mobile app, you can help your users see what they need on mobile screens, where space is limited and quick recognition of records is important. Here's a sample compact layout edit page for the account object. It shows the name of the layout and the list of fields to display. New account compact layout.
Okay, finally. Okay.
To display. New account compact layout. Trying to figure out where you can actually see this. Can't find it right now, but they should show us later. Here's the related page for the same account object in a Lightning experience. You can see the account name, phone number, type, industry rating, and account owner at the top of the page. Yeah, that sounds more like this one, but still not quite. I have a few different fields there, like industry rating and so on. And here's what the same account record looks like in the mobile app. So a lot more compact. Create a compact layout, that's what we want to do. When you create a custom object, it's automatically assigned to a system default compact layout, which has only one field on it, the object name. Maria wants to call attention to the most important field on the object when her users view the audit records. Let's make that happen by creating a custom compact layout for the energy audit custom object. Let's find and open the compact layouts node in setup for energy audit. So energy audit, we still have open here through the object manager.
See, I don't understand where he's just jumping to. Why do I have sales tools?
But I gotta run and get this, because I know someone will see me complain. Oh, yeah, no, they'll be not very long. Okay.
So energy audit, we still have open here for the object manager. And there we have it. Energy audit. Compact layouts.
I have zero clue where any of this is.
People are inside with the customer, they see a few key fields that they need to see right at the top of an opportunity record. When they access sales object with the T
So I keep
compact
jumping back to this
layout.
energy audit. I don't know where that page is.
Create a new compact layout for the opportunity object with the label new opti compact layout.
This is insane. How do I get to setup? Why am I still on sales over here? What if I did service? Are you kidding me? It's been here the whole time. All right, well, here we are.
At the top of an opportunity record when they access SalesForce. Create a compact layout that will help them do that. Create a new compact layout for the opportunity object with the label new opti compact layout.
Oh my God, finally. Wait, what? Just, okay, hold on a sec. Include these fields. Opportunity name. All right. Okay. Let's just stay here and stay with him.
Yeah, and what's missing here? Let's add it here as well. Include these fields in the order: opportunity name, and the object manager, so you need to see it in the opportunity record, so this should be here, I hope. So let's create that here. And we need the opportunity name, probability, percentage, close date, stage, amount, opportunity owner, let's save this, sign it.
That was really something else. We were being whipped all over the place, but we got it. Okay, let's tackle the next unit. Let's see what it looks like. So we learned a couple of things. We need to leave this open because each unit builds upon it. Even though you're able to launch it each time, it then sends you back to the beginning, when in reality, you should have it open. So we learned that the hard way. And really, we need to follow along a little bit better. So this one is actually just questions. So we can watch this and simply answer the questions. All right, so let's get back into this. Customize records.
Customize the record details with page layouts. Learning objectives. After completing this unit, you will be able to create and manage page layouts, use the page layout editor, assign a page layout to a profile, explain how the page layout editor derives record details content in a Lightning experience. Page layout. What you see when you log into SalesForce for the first time is just the start. You can customize and personalize many things on a given object record page using page layouts. There are two ways to customize a page in a Lightning experience. You can customize the page layout or customize its contents. These are done with separate tools. Lightning pages are a collection of Lightning components arranged in regions on the page. You can customize the structure of the page and the position of its components with the Lightning App Builder. Learn more in the Lightning App Builder module right here in Trailhead. We already did that a little bit. You can customize a page content such as the fields and button that appeared on the page by using a different tool called the Page Layout Editor. The page layout editor, also known as page layouts, helps you manage the content pages in both our classic UI and in Lightning experience. The page layout editor is what we'll be working in this unit. Note, why do we use the dual UI page layout editor tool to help customize page content in the Lightning experience? Because the Lightning app builder can customize buttons, actions, and fields on pages. Yet, the page layout editor lets you control which fields to list or related records and custom links the users see. Customize the order that the fields appear in the page details. Determine which fields are visible, read-only, or required. Control which standard and custom buttons appear on records and related lists. Control which quick actions appear on the page. You're probably thinking buttons, lists, and record details? What is all this stuff? Well, let's take a quick page layout tour by looking at an example, contact records, and then we will dive in and customize the layout. We'll talk more about buttons, links, and actions and how to modify them on page layouts in a later unit. These are the parts of a page that you can customize using page layouts to create a personalized view for different teams and processes in your org. The Related tab contains related lists, which are lists of other records that are associated with the record you are viewing. For example, an account, you can have related products, contacts, opportunities, and other custom records. Related lists make it easy to find and manage related information. Now we have a contact here. And the related tab, let's open contact to see this. Do we have any contacts here? Yes, we do. The contact home buyer. So there are the related lists and records. For example, the offer here that we created in one of the first modules. In the details tab, it shows information about the record. For example, a contact record detail page shows the name, address, account, owner, account, and other fields that are used to store information about the contact and other related records. To change the contact of the fields on the related record page, you can click Edit. So the little pencil, like right here. We can also do that there. Whatever you prefer. However, that edit button doesn't let you configure which fields appear in the record details. Let's go over that now. Customize the fields in your record details. Customizing the fields on your record pages is easy, and you can do it with just a few clicks. The Enhanced Page Layout Editor is the go-to place for customizing a Lightning Experience Records page fields and related lists. It's called Enhanced because there is an earlier version of it. We'll just refer to it as the Page Layout Editor here. The Page Layout Editor has two basic parts: a palette on the upper portion of the screen, which is the first one there, and the records page layout on the lower portion of the screen, which is the second one here. The palette contains the basic elements such as fields, actions, buttons, links, and related lists that you can add and arrange on the page. You can think of the upper part as the buffet table and the lower part as the plate of food you are assembling. Maybe you're thinking, hey, what's that highlights panel section there? Didn't you tell us that a compact layout to control the highlights panel on Lightning Experience record pages? Yes, We did that, and that's still true. The highlights panel section in the page layouts editor controls the highlights panel on pages in our classic UI. It's of no use to us in the Lightning experience. For now, let's take a quick tour of the page layout editor by adding and changing a basic field on a lead record. First, we need to find and open the lead page layout. From Setup, click Object Manager. Click Lead to open the object and then click Page Layouts. So we need to find that here. Page Layout Editor. The Object Manager under Lead. Page Layouts. And there we have it. Lead layout. Now that we have opened the lead page layout, let's make an update. As you all know, fax machines are so last century. So let's remove that field. Where do we have it? Drag the fax fields of the page layout. Let's make this a bit larger so maybe we can find it. So let's put that here somewhere. Yep, it's gone. Easy, right? Now let's make sure the sales reps don't leave the mobile field blank. Let's make it a required field. Required, okay. Quick save to your changes without calling the editor. Where do we have quick save? Well, there we have it. Nice work, you have just removed a field and made another field required, and you did it without writing a single line of code. The red star field must have a value, it's a required field. The blue one must be included on the page layout because an administrator configured the field as universally required or made SalesForce automatically requires the fields. Green one is a controlling field, not sure what that means, and a red stroke field is a dependent field, and the log is read-only. That's kind of self-explanatory. You can assign page layouts to different user profiles. For example, you can create a customized page layout for managers and another page layout for standard users. To change page layout assignments, click page layout assignments and then click edit assignments. I'm not sure where we can find it. Assign. Assign. Can't find it. There we have it, page layout assignment. And there we can see the different kind of profiles that exist, standard stuff. And there we could assign it if we wanted to. Alright, so let's go to the next one, create a page layout. Maria wants to create an energy audit page layout just for a sales team so she can have the necessary fields and related list information at their fingertips when they view the energy audit records. When the audit energy custom object was created, a system default energy audit page layout was created too. Right now, everyone in the org who views an energy audit record sees the information from that default layout. Maria is going to create a layout just for the salespeople. Let's follow along. From the setup, click Object Manager, then click Energy Audit in the page layout. Okay, let's change it to Energy Audit. And page layout. Click New. You have two options at this point. You can create a page layout from scratch, or you can choose an existing page layout to clone. Because Maria wants to build on what's already there for Energy Audit, she's going to clone the default layout. Select Energy Audit layout, that's what I just did. And then name the new layout Energy Audit Sales Layout. Scroll down to the Energy Audit Details section. Here's a comparison of the page layout field details and the Energy Audit fields with the default configuration. Let's make this a bit larger so we can actually see this. Created by a single user. Last modified by. And you cost, all that kind of stuff. The right-hand column is almost empty and the fields could be in a better order. Let's fix it. Move audit nodes and type of installation to the right column above owner. Let's do this. There we have the audit nodes. Type of installation, there we have it. Move account below energy audit name. It's already there. Quick save. Nice, but there's more to do because energy audit is a custom object, doesn't have any related lists yet. Let's add one. Scroll down to the related list section in the palette, click related list and drag the files element down to the related list option. Okay, related list, we have that here. Files, where's files? Can see the files, so I'm going to search. Nope. Enter a quick find here, files. Nope. See files related list. Your Zamero sales reps can add files to a record and see a list of files associated with the record. There we got it. It's named file, not files. Hope it's the right one, but anyway, better than nothing. Oh, there we got it, related list here. I'm not too smart, anyway, we figured that out, so let's quick save that as well. You've added or moved related list on this page layout. Do you want these changes to override? Yes, I do. And now it's time to assign it to profiles. Assign a page layout to profiles. Maria wants your Mayor salespeople to see this new page layout. She's going to assign it to her sales team's user profile, so when they view energy audit records, they will see the revised view of the fields and the new related list. Let's get started. So object manager, energy audit, page layouts, and the layout assignment and edit assignment, custom sales profile. Custom sales profile. There we go. And we are supposed to select the energy audit sales layout. And then we just need to save it, and that's it. Yeah, it was a bit quick. Select the system administrator row. Normally, Maria would select only the custom sales profile row, but since you're logged in as a system administrator, we select that too so that you can check out how the news page layout looks. So let's save that as well. And then we need to go back to the sales view. And then we are supposed to open an audit record. And now the look details, it's more condensed and efficient now. Yeah, that looks like it should, I think. Let's see if we have the file stuff there too as well. No, we don't. But there are probably no files anyway, so. Should be under related match. Let's look related files. It's all there. And if you click on related tab here, we just did that. Great job. Now you are more familiar with page layout and the page layout editor. You can start creating a layout that gives your users just what they need. By arranging tools and fields in a logical selection, you can make it even easier for your users to store and manage the data that's important to your business. So here we have a quiz for 100 points. With a page layout, you can control whether a user sees related or details pages, a field that display in the highlights panel, which fields list links and buttons a user sees on related details and edit pages, the size of the margins of the page, all of the above. I would say C, but let's see. Which fields, lists, and links and buttons. It's not really highlights. Okay, so that is just for the classic UI, apparently. Size of the margins, definitely not. I don't think we can select whether a user sees related or details pages. That should be for something somewhere else. So it looks like we should just stick to C. When you modify page layouts, make this a bit larger, you can change whether a field is required, change the order of the field on the page, assign custom page layout to different user profiles, arrange fields in logical sections, all of the above. Logical. Yes, you can. So let's make this all of the above. Where do the fields and sections from a page layout appear when you view a Lightning Records page? Highlights. Fields and sections. Fields should be under details. Section. Can I drag a section? Okay, I can drag a section there. Didn't really do that, but it's under the details tab. Let's do this quickly so we can see. Oh, okay, interesting. New section, quick save. And let's see how that looks like here. Didn't really do anything. Just yeah, new section. Okay, all right. It's there, so we can put something in there. Blank space. Quick save. Yeah, here we have the new section. Okay, it's under details for sure. Sorry for me taking my sweet time here, but I don't want to lose points. So let's check the quiz to earn 100 points. And we got everything right. That's great. So let's take a...
All right. Let's go ahead and jump into the quiz. Obviously, we followed along, so we're very aware of not only what the answers are, but how we got them. So again, everything with moral and ethics is okay. So I believe it was C, E, B, right? And let's just double check. Yeah. Let's go ahead and get our 100 points. Now, when we take a look at the next chapter, I believe we're going to start this tomorrow. Again, it is quite important that every day is treated as a building block. It's not good to go from, say, an easy day to a really difficult day and then continue it. So today was a bit difficult. There was a lot of new stuff, a lot of stuff that does take some digesting. So what I would recommend, and again, I could cut any of this out that I'd like, but I'm purposely leaving it because you need to know that it's not just going to be you that's confused. And when you're confused, how do you find it? Do you give up? How many different buttons do you press? Where do you keep rewinding? Do you keep going back, or do you say, you know what, I'm done with this? And I believe that you just don't give up. That being said, you should always end the day on a win. We've accumulated what, like 1,200 points today. 2 hours worth of curriculum, and we're about 3/4 done with this section. So let's take the win. Let's review everything again. So please go ahead and watch this again. If you can do it twice today, you should. And then we're going to come into tomorrow with the complete, just prepared. I know I'm going to come in tomorrow like, oh my God, this is super difficult. I'm ready. And anything that is even comparable today, or even a little less, or even a tiny bit more, I'm going to be so prepared for. And that's just the way everyone needs to be. That's how you have to approach life, especially that's how you have to approach learning something new. So it's not about when you fall, can you get up, and can you end on a high note, and can you be prepared for the next day? So really great job, everyone. Let me get the follow-up email out, and great job. Again, no matter what commentary we have on the day, we're constantly adding thousands of points. This is what it's supposed to be. When we go ahead and walk into the certification and we pass the examination, that's it. The paper is worth the salary. So we're almost halfway there. Love everyone. See you tomorrow. Bye.